folks, my name's Ken.Quick. I'm a retired teacher and coach from Idaho. It's my pleasure to show you today. We're going to look at this Jayco 31 UL Precept. If you have any questions about this coach or any other coach here at Guaranty RV, please give me a call at 208-250-8625. Let's go inside and take a look around. This is a very well appointed, nicely designed coach. We're going to start here in the bedroom. First thing you're going to notice is a king-size bed. You got two shades, one day shade and a night shade here, both sides. You can open these windows up, get a nice flow of air at night when you're sleeping. Window in the back, which is a very nice feature. Closet space. Big closet, lots of drawers down here, 6 drawers down below, more drawers right here in the middle. I mean, it's got all kinds. If you're going to be gone for an extended trip, you got all kinds of storage. Got a nice TV right here, flat screen TV. More closet space over here. You'll notice there's this little pole and a little table in here behind the box. That little table plugs in right between the 2 front seats. As we move forward, you got a privacy door here. Got a nice shower right here. And then across the hall, you have your lavatory. This door becomes a privacy door. And a nice vanity in the bathroom area. Right here we've got a 4-door refrigerator, so you can really be out there for a while. If you're taking people with you, you got plenty of room for groceries. Look at this. Ice makers. Can't beat that. Across the hall here, we've got a double sink. This is a Corian solid surface countertop. If you're wondering what that pink juice was that right there. That is a little bit of antifreeze for the winterizing these coaches. They're here in Oregon. It is winter. Nice little storage cabinet here. Storage on both sides. This is a microwave convection. So you can do everything from cooking a chicken to heating your coffee. So you got a 3-burner stove here underneath. Looks like stainless steel on top. That's nice. Lots of drawers, lots of storage here. Room for garbage cans. More storage here. You've even got this extension here. Give you a little more counter space. You got plug-ins for coffee makers. You shut those drawers. Nice little touches here up top. And you've got a nice fan up above here, right above the kitchen area, which is nice. As we move forward, on this side of the coach, you'll notice this huge TV, okay? This is a televator. This TV goes up and down, so when you don't want the TV, you can have a window, and vice versa. But it's a big enough TV where you can have the whole gang in here and watch a movie. Also a pretty good sized table. You've got the charging ports right over here, USBs, and there's your table with a couple of drink holders. You've even got a little bit of storage up above here. They try to put storage in just about everywhere. You got the nice couch here that's going to turn into a bed, so you got more sleeping. You also have this bed overhead right here. So this is going to drop down. I got to turn it on first, but you can see this drops down. This is enough room for a couple of adults up here. I'm going to put that back up so you get the idea. Folks, this is a Jayco. This coach has a 2-year warranty on this coach, just to get you started. You know, worry-free for 2 years on your travels. You've got your jacks there, automatic jacks. Push one button to turn it on, push another button and it'll level this coach. You don't have to get out in the rain if you get somewhere over on the coast. You can just set up at night and not worry about it. You've got backup camera, side cameras on this coach, what makes it nice when you're changing lanes, just to double check so you don't run somebody off the road. You've got a little desk right here with plugs. Very comfortable seating. This is a power seat on this side, on the driver's side. And there's your cameras right there for side camera and backup camera, along with your radio. We're going to step outside and take a look at some of the things that make this coach pretty special. You've got an electric awning right up above here. frameless windows, and full body paint. So, toppers on the slide. There's your first storage area, and you can see it goes all the way across. You can never have too much storage. Got a little area here for anything that'll fit in there. This coach is going to look good for a lot of years. Look how beautiful this paint is. More storage there. That also goes across. There is lighting in all the storage areas. Makes it nice if you have to get something out at night. Batteries on a slide tray, that's a bonus, and then here's your propane, and this is your hydraulics and stuff for your slides. Outside TV, good size TV, great for game day, great for watching movies outside. Grandkids love doing that. Campfire going on, watching maybe a movie while the adults talk. Big storage area right there. As we move around the coach, you got your receiver, electrical for towing. There's your backup camera up top here. Again, that back window in the back of the coach is nice to get light into the bedroom. Here's your electrical, 50 amp coach. Here's a outdoor shower, filter, water filter. As we're moving forward here, here's your dump station for your gray and your black. Hose storage. 5500 Awning gas generator right here. Lots of power for this coach. Here's that storage that goes all the way across both of these. Right here's the other. Another little storage area right there. Put your dirty boots in there after you've been out hiking. That's your side camera right here. So that's going to show down this blind spot, so when you're changing lanes you can double check that. Alloy wheels. Very nice coach. 31-foot coach, it lives big. Those slide outs make a huge difference. If you've got any questions about this coach or any other coach on our lot, please give me a call. Again, Ken.Quick. You can ask for the teacher and coach. That'll get you to me. Be glad to answer all your questions and show you around the lot. Have a wonderful day. It's been fun.